Hi, my name is Raghavendra. Today we are going to learn order of query execution in Oracle. Before learning order of query execution, what is the difference between clause and SQL statement? Clause is nothing but a part of SQL statement. SQL statement is nothing but a combination of two or more clauses. Select is one clause, from is another clause, where is another clause, group by is another clause, having is another clause, order by is another. By using select, we will specify the column names which are need to be retrieved from the database. By using from clause, we can specify from which table you need to retrieve the data. By using where clause, we can specify which are the records we need to filter or eliminate. By using the group by clause, you can divide the data into smaller groups. By using the having clause, you can restrict the groups data. By using order by clause, you can sort the rows. Clause is nothing but a part of SQL statement. SQL statement is nothing but a combination of two or more clauses. Why combination of two or more clauses? Every SQL statement required at least select or from. If you take the select statement, it needs select clause and from clause mandatory. If you take the update as well as set mandatory. Delete clause and from clause is mandatory. That is the reason SQL statement is nothing but a combination of two or more clauses. Clause is nothing but a part of SQL statement. Go through this query. What this query is doing? This query is retrieving the total salary of the employees department wise by eliminating the department number 40, restricting the groups whose total salary is less than 5,000. That is the reason here if you see all the departments total salary is more than 5,000. If I have any departments whose total salary is below 5,000, that won't be displayed here. And also we sorted the data according to the total salary wise. According to the total salary wise I sorted. Where I specified in the order by clause. How the query will be executed? Will the query execution will start from clause or select clause or where clause, group by clause, having clause? We are going to discuss that. So basically how Oracle query will be executed. Oracle query starts from the from clause. First from clause will be executed. It means it will retrieve the data from the employee table. Later it will read where clause and it will eliminate the records according to the where condition. What is the condition here specified? DEP number equal to 40, so that the department number 40 records will be eliminated. Later data will be grouped according to the group by clause. Group by clause we specified the DEP number column, so data will be grouped into department wise. Later having clause will be executed. In the having clause what we specified? Some salary. Some salary means total salary. So the total salary should be 5,000. Then only we need to display that group. What is this group? DEPT number. So if the total salary of the department number is more than 5,000, then only we need to display. Otherwise we should not display the DEPT number. After execution of the having clause, what having clause is doing? It's eliminating the groups. After that we will read columns list in select clause. So in the select clause what are the columns we have? DEPT number and some salary. So that DEPT number column and total salary of the employees according to the DEPT number, department number will be displayed. For the total salaries we give an alias name like total underscore salary. Later order by clause will be executed. So basically order by clause will be executed finally. We can use alias names only in order by clause. What is the order of query execution? From clause will be executed, later where clause will be executed, next group by clause will be executed, having clause will be executed, select clause will be executed, finally order by clause will be executed. So first it will read the data from the table and eliminate the records and make the data into groups and filter the groups and display only the columns which we specified in the select clause and sort the data according to the order by clause. Only in order by clause we can refer the column alias names. What are the column alias names? This is nothing but a column alias name. For some salary we given a alias name total underscore salary. So we can refer only column alias names in order by clause. If you refer the column alias names in any other clause, we will get the Oracle error. Can I use alias names of a columns in any of the clause? If you refer alias name of a column in any other clause like from clause, where clause, having clause, group by clause, you will get a VARA error, VARA 00904. What is this error is saying? Total salary is invalid identifier. It's saying like unable to recognize the total salary column. If you use this total salary column in order by clause, you won't get any error. Let's execute the same query in SQL Developer and see what the query will display the data. I executed this query. Here you can see like data, total salary of the employees according to their department wise. Here through where clause I filter the DEPT number 40. If I comment this where clause, I can able to see department number 40 also. If I execute this query, I'll get the below output. I can see total salary of the employees according to their department wise. If I comment this where clause, I can see department number 40. Earlier I am seeing 10, 20, 30 only. If I comment this query, I can see the employees total salary in the department number 40 also. My data is sorted according to the total salary. That's the reason data is sorted ascending order of the total salary. If I give DESC, data will be sorted according to the descending order, highest value of the total salary to lowest value of the total salary. In my having clause, I am specifying like total salary of the department should be greater than 8,000. So now what will happen? All the departments will be disappear. Only department number 30 will be displayed. Why? I have given having clause with total salary should be 8,000. So all the departments total salary is less than 8,000. So definitely I will get only department number 40. But through having clause, we are restricting the groups data. By where clause, we are filtering the data. By using alias name, what I am doing? I am renaming the column header. If I didn't provide this alias name, what will happen? I will get a column name like sum of salary. So I given the alias name. That's the reason I am getting total salary is my column header. I can use this column alias name of a column only in order by clause. If I use this alias name of a column in any of the clause like group by, I will get a VORA error. VORA 00904 total salary invalid identifier. It's saying like total salary column is a invalid column. So only I can use alias names in order by clause. I can't use it in any of other clauses. If I use, I will get VORA error. Why? Because order by clause will read before the select clauses, will be executed before reading the select clause. Remaining clauses from clause, where clause, group by clause, having clause will be executed before reading the select clause. That's the reason we can't use columns alias name in from clause, where clause, group by clause, having clause. We can use only in order by clause. If you like my trainings, you can contact me 7829666692. You can contact me through email raghavendraoracletraining@gmail.com. To receive my curriculum of SQL and PLSQL, text your email ID to above contact number or email ID. To see my students' feedback, you can refer below link. You can follow me through Facebook raghavendraoracletraining@gmail.com, or you can follow me through YouTube channel Oracle Trainings by Raghavendra Rao. If you like my videos, please subscribe it and like the videos. See you in the next video.